Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been a minute. I know I've been really busy closing deals. I've just closed 4 houses with 4 different buyers, 2 of them from Hawaii, the other 2 from California. Welcome back though. My name is Mark Azucena with Simply Vegas, a licensed real estate agent here in Las Vegas. And I'm gonna flip the camera around, and we're here in the southwest part of Las Vegas. Over here that way we got the cross street is South Jones, and then Cactus Avenue over here. And today I got a buyer who reached out to me, booked an appointment with me, got him all vetted and everything, and he's ready to relocate to Las Vegas. And this is one of the homes he pretty much pick and chose from Zillow. I went out and checked it out for him. This is a Pulte community, Pulte homes. Believe this was the Rainbow Crossings, and this is like the Ella plan. So we're here on a corner lot, and this home was built in 2021. It's got 4 bedrooms. It's about 2,900 square feet of living space. The lot square footage is about 7,000, so it's got a big backyard. And if you're new to the channel, guys, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and we'll get this video home tour started. So starting from the front, got paver driveways, desert landscaping, got a tree that still lives. And on this side should be your Lennox box, dual AC units. And yeah, front of the house looks good. Got windows on the garage. Let's check out this side. Yep. You do got a fire hydrant over here. And then looks like nobody could park in the front of your house because of the fire hydrant. But over there seems okay. And then you got the sides over there and across the street where you can park. And over here you got a gate to the backyard. Now my client didn't want a pool, so they just wanted to be low maintenance. Stick around to the end of the video. I'll break down the price and what their monthly payment would be. And starting from the front door, I like this custom 9.5 feet front door with a glass. All right. You know, I've done a video tour on this same home before. You gotta look back and see which one it was. So you got the 18 by 18 tiles in the front. This could be your dining table area. And then up here you got more windows for natural lighting. I don't know what this is for. Me personally, I wouldn't want this here. I'd probably knock it down, but if it's load bearing, I guess it is what it is. And then you got carpet here in your living room area. Got the Simplifier electric fireplace. I'll leave it on. Okay, so this is the area where you're gonna set up your TV. Got the plugs right here, Cat 5. Nobody uses this anymore. I mean, me personally, I use YouTube TV. This side, you could set up like a little bookshelf maybe. And same over here. Now, into your kitchen area. Again, you got the 18 by 18 tiles. Oh, you got this lovely quartz countertop. White with the stones on it. You got the 42 upper cabinets with the painted oak, dark oak. Here's your island here in this octagon type of shape. Quartz countertop, 1.5 inch. 2 pendant linings up on top. I like this deep stainless steel sink. I believe that is by Amerisink. And yeah, I like the pull out right here. Okay, 42 upper cabinets on this side. And then you got the custom stove over here by Whirlpool. And check out the shape over here. I mean, I would put like custom blinds or something. I wouldn't want anyone to watch me cooking. Well, it would be only them, but you know. And here's your microwave. You don't really got a place to store a microwave, so they just put it right here. More 42 uppers. Here is your pantry. Decent amount of space in here. And then the Whirlpool fridge, stainless steel. And then you got a green chalkboard. No, I'm just kidding. I don't even know why they did this. I would just paint it white. And you got some custom, is that LEDs? Yeah. LED lights right here. Okay, this would be your first floor powder room. Low toilet, pedestal, mirror. Now into, this is the laundry room. Washer and dryer does come included. Best part is you got 42 upper cabinets on top. Let's check out the garage. You got the Rinnai tankless water heater. This is where you would hook up a soft water loop later on. And some extra storage area just in case. What is this door? Extra linen closet, coat closet. Now let's check out the backyard, yeah? Okay, you got pavers all the way down to the end and some artificial green turf. Next grill, this is from Home Depot. I bought one of these for one of my clients. Shout out to my cousin Ann. Yeah, propane tank. Yeah, to put up a tree. I wouldn't have put in a tree in my backyard because, I mean, it makes the, I mean, it falls during the fall, you know what I mean? Someone's got to pick this up. All right, and then paver stone wall right here. More trees and more desert landscaping and pavers out to that side gate that we saw earlier. I mean, look, you could put a covered patio, but the way the house is facing to the east and the sun rises in the east, you don't really need a covered patio because you're gonna get shade. I mean, as you can see, the shade. Same thing as my house too. I don't need a covered patio because of a shade like this. I guess it's cool to have one anyway. All right. What y'all think so far? Let me know in the comments below. I am going to take off my shoes. And you got these custom see-through glass in the pony walls, which is an upgrade. I believe this is upgraded carpet. It's not that shaggy type of carpet. And then more of that glass in the pony wall right here. All right. Here you got a loft area, huge loft space. You can turn this into like your personal movie theater room. Out this way, you're looking at your backyard. Okay, so this has got to be the primary. We'll look at that next. Well, let's just look at it now. Here's your primary. This is the linoleum flooring. I have the same one at my house. Walk-in closet. And check out your smart panel with the Cox cable box ready to go. Another walk-in closet this way. And then you got dual sinks. This is like Petrofina. And then check out your shower here with the sit-down bench area. And you even got a rainfall up here. 3 little windows for natural lighting, of course. And the water closet's over here. Towel rack. Okay, that's pretty good for a primary. Oh, and your primary has dual doors. So this is going to be bedroom number 1. This is looking like 10 by 11. got its own little mini walk-in closet. And is this a Jack and Jill bathroom? Oh, it is. Yeah, Petrofina, dual sinks. Here's your deep tub. And you got the tiles in your shower. And water closet. And here goes bedroom number 2. Same size, 10 by 11. It's got its own little walk-in closet. Here's the blinds. And the last bedroom. Okay, what is in here? A coat closet. Oh, and you got some extra linoleum. I could use some of that. And a little area where you could set up a little work desk, computer desk. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about the price. Let me remind you, the seller is motivated, and my clients wanted something in the mid 500s. So currently this home is listed at $579,990. I mean, it was originally listed at like $620, $630, and they did a few price reductions. And so how I would do the deal, I would submit an offer at like $560 and have the seller cover the closing cost and or rate buy down. So right here is what it looks like for your monthly payment. And guys, if you are planning on, I'm getting a phone call. If you are planning on relocating here to Las Vegas, wherever you're from, Hawaii, San Diego, LA, give me a call. All my information is down below. If there's a house you want to see and you're not here yet, I can go see the house for you and make you a video and watch it right here on YouTube. All right, guys, I guess that's it. And I will catch you on the next video home tour. Peace out, guys. Have a beautiful, blessed day.